Welcome. In front of me I have Metro Wireless Earphones 2 and also Apple Watch Series 3, and I'm going to show you how you can pair these earphones to the Apple Watch Series 3. But at the first we have to unlock the watch with the passcode. Right now we have to click right here and go for the settings. And we have to also enter the Bluetooth. And right now just wait until the watch find our earphones. And what is not going to happen automatically, we are going to connect them manually, so don't be worried about that. We have to wait a few seconds. And as you can see, it's not working, so we have to close the case, rotate it a little bit, and click and hold this icon, this button I mean. So click, hold, and right now just open the case, keep holding, and right now tap on the Metro Wireless Earphones 2 while holding the button, and now we can release. And as you can see right now, our Metro Wireless Earphones 2 are connected to the Apple Watch Series 3. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.